Chimigo mi heki no, Gwemina la yata no. Layana do ya below wetila timu clockiga, K iba otayu, Te yataga, K kikuda poda talino, Depoya popatolino, Te quemo polana do ya quete wekiga. You poto you throw you yena You did the gola you No don't tape no ya Maybe ya the copy polar Cause it low How we water you yena You did the gola you No tonight I know oh boy you Maybe I don't see po la mo ba people Ibate yalu o yata You ota you yena Tini mu ko mi heki no Gwemina la yata no Layana no ya below wetila timu clockia K iba othayu Te yataga K kinguda poda thalino Depo ya popatolino Denquemo polana no ya quete wekia You poto you throw you yena Ya tita gola you No don't tape no ya Maybe like a copy polar Gasecolo How we want the yena Ya tita gola you No oh boy you Maybe I don't see po la mo ba people He party yalu o yata You offer you yena Maybe I you think no yena You tado plug Maybe not nothing on neya You did the go You did the go love you No ya Maybe I don't call people Cause low How we want the you yena Ya tita gola you No tonight no boy you Maybe I don't see po la mo ba people He party yalu o yata You order you yena Timi mugomi heki no Gwemina lo yata no Lo yana do ya pelo kwetela timu clockiga Ke imba utheyu te yataga Ke ikikudo podo thalino Depo nyapo patolino To quip up all and do ya squirty wekiga You poto you the you yena Ya tita gola you No tona tapino ya Mimi ya copy pola Cause low How we want the you yena Ya tita gola you No po nyoa Mimi yala si po La mo ba people Ibati yalu o yata You othe you yena Ha Mimi ya you theon The thin o yena You ti the go You go love you in not no bonyo Mimi yellow si po le mo ba people Ipati yalu o yata you the you yena Okay, I hope you guys like it. This song is in Korean, so by So Black. So I really love the song. Like when I sing it, I feel like I miss my country, Korean people, country, cause it just remind me of where I lived before as a kid, and I miss it so much. So I want to sing it, and I really love the song, So Black. If you hear the song, I really love it. So I hope you like it too. Thanks, guy, for listening to my voice. It's not a good voice, but I love to sing sometimes. So yeah, thank you, and God bless. Bye bye.